How to schedule activities. After your activity is created, you can see No Set Schedule. To navigate between activities, click on the arrow to go up or down. Then, click on Schedule Activity to assign deadlines for each stage. When deciding deadlines, we recommend the creation stage to be at least 1 week. The default time is set to 11:59 p.m. If you plan to change the date, we recommend that you avoid choosing earlier hours of the day, as students are more likely to miss the deadline on the assumption that it was due at the end of the day rather than at the beginning. Next, we suggest the evaluation period being between 4 to 5 days, and the feedback on feedback period being between 2 to 3 days. Ideally, the process will finish in 2 weeks, giving students enough time to complete all of the stages. Activities do not need to be scheduled one after the other. If you want activities that overlap, make sure that the stage of creation for the first activity is a week ahead of the second activity, so that the stage of creation for the second activity is due in the same week, while the stage of evaluation and feedback for Activity 1 is due as well. Students can anticipate when activities are due or become available by keeping the due date and day consistent. When scheduling a group activity, make sure you first modify the type of activity. This can be done by clicking on Edit Activity, and the activity type can be changed from individual to group. Remember, you must assign a group set for the activity. To learn more about group sets, refer to the video on Group Set. Because group activities have only the stage of creation and evaluation, we recommend that the stage of creation should be at least 1 to 2 weeks, providing enough time for the groups to come together and build up their submission. And the evaluation stage should be another week, allowing everyone enough time to review other submissions and provide clear and effective input. If you use the group feature to provide feedback on class group presentations that run for a few sessions or weeks, make sure that the dates scheduled on Kritik cover the entire duration, so until all group presentations are complete.